Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. Charles Chocolate Dancing Dynamite Season 18 is here. Nelson Mandela Park was nothing short of exciting last evening as people turned out for the official launch of the Charles Chocolate Dancing Dynamite competition. This year's staging under the theme Raving Machine will see bigger and better prizes, with the winner receiving 2 international trips, the Florida Jerk Festival and the Feeling Good Tour in Canada with Razor B. Dancers have a chance to win over $3 million in cash and prizes. Now, auditions begin on January 20 in Kingston and runs through to February 10. In an E-Prime exclusive, last year's first high school all-girl group to win, Central High, gave tips to the new contestants for this year.
There is a lot of opportunities in it. You can go abroad. You can, people will know you. There's a lot of opportunities in it, guys. It's a great competition to be in.
Yes, it does bring attention to you sometime, and it helps you to be recognized. So therefore, you get opportunities from that, great opportunities, and it's just a great feeling overall.
Grammy Award-winning reggae star Kabaka Pyramid to headline the 4th annual Afro-Carib Festival in Florida. According to event host, Miramar Vice Mayor Alexandra P. Davis, there are plans to expand the Afro-Carib Festival, combining black music and culture, attracting South Florida's attention. The event is set for this Reggae Month will be held at the Miramar Regional Park Amphitheater and sees a lineup of amazing performers such as Nigerian Afrobeat star Fireboy DML, Jamaican reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid, and veteran Nadine Sutherland. Drift boss TJ fuses Afrobeats and Dancehall to create a new sound he calls Afro Dancehall.
After the concert, girl, we go contact.
Davido's remix of the hit single Drift boasts over 1 million views on YouTube, giving TJ his official baptism into the Nigerian genre. While the original version of Drift falls into the dancehall category, Billboard says the track could be easily mistaken for an Afrobeat song. Speaking with the magazine, TJ revealed that the track bears Afrobeats components.
Drum pattern of Drift was original dancehall beat, and the vibe now was like Afrobeat. Happy moment, joyful things that people can dance to and enjoy themselves.
Thus, the emergence of Afro Dancehall.
And I do my best, for dancehall music. It's getting there. The Americans love it.
Last year, Drift landed on the #1 spot on Apple Music's Run Things playlist, accumulating over 250 million TikTok views for its viral dance challenge and took the #1 top Shazam track in New York City. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Bye.